okay na eh. But isn't that a problem to the other members of the band that you are the most recognizable?
Hopefully, alam ko wala naman silang problema kasi we've been together for 16, 17 years. We've been friends. So,
But you guys have to talk about it.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hindi ka pag-usapan yan, you assume that it's okay with them.
Yeah.
I mean, faith is a difficult process.
Yeah. Pero nakita naman nila na after I did it, parang yun, mas marami kami na-reach na people with our music. So,
Lumalaki na people.
yeah, oo. Kaya maganda rin yung balance. Kasi it was my first day job.
Galing. So, but it takes a lot of love, a lot of opportunity. You have to be successful. Malay mo, one of the members in the future gets another day job.
Malay mo,
Pero it takes a lot of love. So, it takes a lot of love to say, hey, this is doing very well, and it can be good for us.
yeah.
Ito ba business management at ako na sa mga team na pumunta sa pag-awit, na pumunta sa buho.
Nung college ka lang, kahit ito yung high school ka lang, nagbabang yung first year college, nabuo na yung experience.
Ateneo.
So management.
Okay. Ateneo, I'm proud to say, has been an excellent